Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of June is the lovely Shannon. She has created 3 sketches for us to use in the month of June, and they are all posted over at our Facebook group site. So if you're not a member, you should go check that out. And I have the link listed below. All right, for layout 3, I am using this sketch that you see in front of you. Now you should be seeing the selected papers that I selected, let's say that 100 times, from my Mini Kit Monday kit for the month of June. And you see my photograph, which I am documenting my rose bush, which gets really full. It's of mini little roses, and that's the photograph. And like in the boy, I am really stuttering. Just like in the sketch, it calls for some stitching. Oh my goodness, I should probably just stop this video and start all over, but I'm not gonna. And here is my 6x8 paper from the Cocoa Vanilla Sunkiss. Here is a scrap left over from a previous layout that I made using this kit. And I am making my paper stretch because I am so in love with these fun, bright colors. And like I said, I didn't pick up the entire collection. I just picked up my favorite pieces. So I have a leftover here, which is called the bright side, and I want to use this side, and the other side is that rainbow, which is a fun print as well. Then I have what you would call, I guess, a leopard print. I would assume that's what you would call it, and it's called Growing Wild. And this is the side I'm going to use, and this is the opposite side, which are these beautiful, beautiful flowers. And I should have some leftovers. And then for my base paper, I have selected Daisy White cardstock from Close to My Heart, because as you can tell in the sketch, we have some tearing and some paper layering going on, and to make my paper stretch, I need a base, and this will end up being all covered up. You won't even see it, but because I am using 3 separate papers to create my background, I need this base paper. What I'm going to do is pause my video, decide the order of my papers from left to right, and then layer this one up. I'll probably need to trim it, and then I'm going to do my stitching, and then I will come back and we will embellish this layout together. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I am back, and guess what? I forgot to turn my camera on after I adhered these 3 strips of paper to the back of my Daisy White cardstock. So we're just going to go over the process. I truly apologize. I truly meant to turn the camera on so that you could watch me embellish this layout. So remember, this paper, I had a full 12 by 12, and I tore it about 12 inches by 2 1/4, 2 1/2. It kind of goes to 2 1/2 right there. Then I had the scrap blue paper. It wasn't a full 12 by 12, so I just tore it a little bit. Then I had that 2 inch by 12 here, and I also tore along the edge. Then I lightly inked the edge using the Distress ink and black soot. Then I ripped that, or tore that paper that was 7 by 8. I decided not to have any peeking out. I just kept that paper concentrated right up here on the left side of that photograph. And then I matted my photograph on daisy white cardstock. I angled it a little bit, tucked it under this paper here. Then I started embellishing. I used the die cuts from the Cocoa Vanilla Sunkissed, and I just layered it here. Welcome to my paradise of flowers. Sweet memories. I have a drink here. Of course, the drink has nothing to do with my flowers from my garden, but I'm going by the colors. And then I have the palm trees. Then I have the puffy stickers right here of the clouds. And then I have the hearts in that yellow gold glittery that came with these alpha words. So I had summer love. Then down here in the corner, we have more puffy elements. So we have a flower and two succulent leaves sticking out, and then a sticker that says captured right here. And then I added a little bit more of that stitching here. I know this one's a little bit hard to read up here at the top, and it is just sewing thread that's doubled. And so that gives a little bit more thickness here. This bird and this bird puffy sticker and that rainbow came from a Dear Lizzie. So I just want to let you know that it's not part of the Cocoa Vanilla Sunkissed collection. And then I added these puffy clouds right there as well. And I felt like this needed some interest, something that would stand out, kind of keep your eye drawn over here. So I went through my Close to My Heart shimmer trim, and I tried a pink color, I tried a green color, I tried the bluebell blue, the bluebell shimmer trim from Close to My Heart, and then I settled for the black. I tell everyone I am a Close to My Heart consultant. To me, this is a must staple you need to have in your collection. I mean, just this little bit just changes your layout completely. And then the final thing that I did was add my splatter bits here, and I used the medium gloss spray in fuchsia, and I used it in night, and there are littler drops here. And then for the final, I used some Heidi Swap Color Shine in gold. And again, I didn't do big splatters, just actually a couple different sizes there. And then some right up here. All right, thank you for stopping by and watching the video. Remember to get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. Be sure to check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies. Their links will be listed below. If you are not a member over at our Facebook group site, we would love to have you. Again, I will have that link listed below. And then keep coming back. Every Monday, I will be the host for the month of July, and we have something different for the month of July as well. So in May, we made cards. In June, we followed sketches provided to us by Shannon, and then for July, we're going to do something different. And then after that, I think we'll go back to our traditional building of our kits and just creating layouts. All right, we will see you next time. Bye.